The 2026 Global Artificial Intelligence Manufacturing and Electronics Expo, a dual-city event, will be held concurrently in Zhuhai and Macau. On the Pearl River's west bank, Zhuhai and Macau face each other across the water, serving as a strategic hub linking the Zhejiang River shipping network with global maritime transport and a critical intersection of China's domestic and international economic circulation. From December the 3rd to 5, 2026, AIE will bring the world a premier showcase of intelligent technologies. China has already emerged as a global leader in both intelligent manufacturing and electronics. In this arena, legendary Guangdong tops 15 sectors, including electronic information manufacturing, automotive, home appliances and machinery, with electronics information industry leading the pack. In the global marketplace, Made in Guangdong demonstrates remarkable competitiveness. Exports of electronic products, such as smartphones, televisions, and tablets regularly top the national export list. Yet, a global industry demands a global stage. Historically, top-tier global expos for intelligent manufacturing and electronics have been concentrated in Europe and North America. The launch of AIE aims to fill a critical gap for China's manufacturing sector. Choosing Zhuhai and Macau as co-host cities reflects smart strategy. Macau connects globally. Zhuhai grounds industry. The Guangdong Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area ecosystem accelerates exhibitions into production. What does AIE offer? A premier stage for cutting-edge technology, igniting a powerful engine of scientific and technological innovation. A global procurement hub, precise one-on-one matchmaking for trade. An accelerator for industrial transformation, leveraging regional differences into advantages, leading in global standards. A forum for intellectual exchange, gathering top global experts and corporate leaders to identify new trends. Pursuing innovation and scaling new heights. AIE captures China's leap in electronics and intelligent machinery, guiding industry toward a smarter future and unlocking its full potential. "50 years ago, it all began here. China's first electronics made their way from this birthplace of reform to the world via the Canton Fair. Today, the Greater Bay Area has formed a complete robotics and intelligent manufacturing industrial chain on fully automated production lines. An industrial robot can be assembled in under 30 minutes. Industrial prosperity drives economic growth. Industrial strength powers the nation. This is the Greater Bay Area's mission: deepen the integration of scientific and industrial innovation. As a bridge, AIE serves China's domestic market while actively integrating into the global economic circulation. December the 3rd to the 5th, join us in Zhuhai and Macau to witness a moment for China's manufacturing, starting with AIE.